So hello everyone, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and like this video if you learn something. So we are going to solve another problem today, and the problem is here. We need to find the customer IDs who have purchased all the products that is available in this product table. Okay, so if 5 6 available, we need to find the customer ID who have purchased these two products 5 and 6. So what we are doing, we are calculating the length of the product, that is here one column only, so we are getting the length, and here no duplicate values will be there because these are the unique products that are available. So we are taking the length, so suppose the length is 2, and then we are taking on customer data frame. So customer, we are grouping by the customer ID, and we are taking the product key column and are finding how many unique values present in for customer ID, right? So 1 and 1 unique product key available, 5 and 6, so there is 2 unique ID available, and we are just resetting the index in order to return the data frame. Okay, and then what we are doing, we are doing customer dot log means we are filtering the rows where product key will return the count of these unique values for customer ID. Okay, first, so where the product key equal to length means this length of the product. So distinct product, how many distinct product is there? If for customers that many unique product key is available, then we need to only return only those rows, and we are taking that customer ID, and in order to return data frame we are converting into 2 frame. So this is the solution. I hope you understood the approach and how to solve it. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video.